Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're exploring the Ethos/Treehouse, a unique home located in the forests of Puerto Carrillo, Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Designed by QBO3 Arquitectos, this project serves as an escape from the urban hustle, perfectly harmonizing brutalist architecture with its natural surroundings. Let's dive into the distinctive features of this house that make it an ideal inspiration for those seeking a blend of nature and modern design. One of the home's standout features is its large windows, protected by perforated steel structures that not only enhance the aesthetic but also act as protective shields. These structures allow sunlight to filter through beautifully, creating a play of light and shadow throughout the day. From the very start, the main focus of this project was preserving as many existing trees on the property as possible. One of the most iconic aspects is the large tree that was left to grow through the center of the social space. This creates a unique synergy, where the exterior feels like it's part of the interior, and the interior seamlessly flows into the outdoor environment. This tree not only adds aesthetic value, but also brings a calming and organic atmosphere to the heart of the home. Ethos/Treehouse was constructed with a brutalist design, emphasizing sturdy concrete, ensuring the home's safety and durability against extreme weather conditions like heavy rains, sea breezes, and high temperatures. The use of permeable membranes allows the house to adapt to the local climate, while large openings ensure a strong connection to natural light and ventilation. At the heart of the house is the social area, which includes the kitchen, dining space, and a built-in sofa that wraps around the tree. Enclosed by perforated steel panels featuring an abstract pattern inspired by the homeowner's artwork, this space creates a special visual filter between the indoors and outdoors. From here, the terrace leads to an infinity pool that blends into the surrounding forest. The pool generates a sound similar to a natural stream, adding a sensory dimension to the living experience. The master bedroom is divided into two levels. The lower level is a cozy sleeping space with an ensuite bathroom, offering views of the rear garden. Here, the existing trees have been thoughtfully arranged and complemented by white stones from the local area, creating a peaceful composition. A floating staircase along a dark concrete wall leads to the upper level, where the homeowner's private art studio is located. Positioned at treetop height, this studio provides the artist with an uninterrupted connection to nature. Years after the house was completed, an expansion was added to include a guest room. This new volume was naturally integrated into the original design, maintaining the simplicity of the structure while introducing new materials that blend with the existing brutalist style. The large opening of the guest room faces the central tree and the terrace, allowing guests to fully experience the beauty of the surroundings while ensuring thermal comfort through blinds and extended eaves. Ethos/Treehouse stands as a remarkable example of how modern architecture can harmonize with nature while ensuring functionality and durability. Its design, rooted in brutalism, not only provides a secure and resilient structure, but also embraces the surrounding environment, creating a living experience that feels connected to the earth. From the preserved trees that punctuate the home's interior to the seamless integration of light, air, and natural materials, this house offers a tranquil escape from the urban world. Ethos/Treehouse inspires a lifestyle where design and nature coexist, making it a true architectural masterpiece and a perfect retreat for those who seek serenity in the heart of the forest. Thank you for joining us on Block 7. Be sure to subscribe for more design inspiration and home tour videos.